In this short video, we're going to learn how to slice a mushroom like a boss. Now for mushrooms. We're either going to half it or quarter it. And this is typically how we're going to use them in soups or stews, what have you. Sometimes we're going to want to dice it or have thicker slices. Again, what you do is you start by cutting it in half. This gives you a flat surface. If you're just going to be doing some thicker slices, until you get about halfway through, flip it over, and a couple more. Show you one more time. Flip it as you get about halfway through. Now this is also the perfect size to dice if that is required. You're going to be dicing for risottos and polentas, that kind of stuff. And all you do is just run your knife right across them. And you continue to do that until you get the desired fineness, I guess. And then the last way to slice a mushroom is when you are going to be, or we're going to be putting it in salads perhaps, or for just for garnish, or in sauces, and that is slicing it very thin. So there's a couple ways to do that. One is you can just take off a corner so it'll lay flat. This is if you want the full size. And again, instead of the usual chef grip, what you want to do is take your finger and point it towards the end of your blade. Kind of uses that as an extension, or makes the knife an extension of your hand. And it's a simple up and down motion. Now if it's flat, if you don't have you can do it this way. If you don't have a need for the stem, you can lay it flat this way and do the exact same thing. The other thing you can do is slice it in half. This is another way to do it. Again, you want a flat surface. Using your finger just to point, and your guide hand. And there you have very, very thin slices. As always, this has been a privilege for me to share this with you, and thank you for watching.